Alrighty everybody, day 4, final day of Midwest Drags. Another early morning last job, but it's the last early morning last job. Still pretty early. I think we both kind of slept through our first alarms, but time for us to get to work. We'll get 2 good runs because the rain is coming. Let's see what we can do to wrap this thing up and win it. Well, let's see what happens. All right. All right, final fuel stop of the trip. Woohoo!
Only did 20.
So we're gonna add a little extra fuel to the tank, or top off the tank, just to give us a little extra rear weight since the track was such a struggle on Tuesday. Hopefully it's a little better prep for today, but I guess we'll find out when we get there.
Yeah.
But hopefully only 2 more runs and then we will wrap this thing up. That would be pretty sweet. I'm gonna take a long walk of the track, like out to like 300 or 400 feet, just to see what it's like when we get there and make some tuning changes on what we want to do. Hopefully we make the right calls. Yeah, I don't think we were expecting it to be this foggy. It was partly sunny until about a minute ago. This is going to make it really hard for them to dry the track, and there's rain coming. Whew. Well, I guess we can do what we can do. Yay, my truck's still there. And my trailer.
Look at that fog, man. Probably can't even see the end of the drag strip.
I don't know if you can see the 8th mile. But I cannot touch my truck or trailer until after we are done and turned in time slips. Have to be just like we were at any other racetrack. Hopefully this fog breaks and we can get some runs in. Well folks, that's not ideal right there. I can just barely see the 330 cone.
Track looks way better.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it'll come around, especially if it gets a little lick of sun on it, and then he can lay some glue to it.
Yeah. Might be all right.
Might be okay.
Looks like we're missing something.
All right, well, go turn the car around and get ready. All right, well, fully back in race mode for hopefully the last time. New spark plugs in. Our new fire core wires did pretty awesome. And hopefully everything's ready. I'm gonna fire it off right here. Got the tires swapped on it. I do have to set tire pressure still. But let's see. That sounds like it's airing up all right, but fire in a hole. Yay, that's all 8. Check our oil pressure. 50 pounds oil pressure at idle. So this is an scale, if you guys are wondering. That's an alcohol scale, so the numbers look really low. 6.2 in the alcohol scale works out to be about 14.2 in the gasoline scale. So it doesn't matter what the number is as long as it makes the motor happy. We're about ready to make a run. They're talking like they're gonna lay the sauce to the track, so we just might spice her up a little more instead of going back down to some of the runs we had on Tuesday. I think we're gonna take a swing at it here. Little swing, not a big swing, just a little swing. I don't want to spin. I want 2 runs and done today. Low 7 anything, and I think we're out of here. Well, not out of here, but we're loading this thing in the box, so stay tuned. All right, well, it's time to go to work. They've been working on the track. It feels way better than what we had on Tuesday. Tuesday, not 100% the track's fault. All that rain, the concrete gets really cold, nothing wants to stick to it. I mean, they were trying to work it, but just the weather did not cooperate. But today, I think we're okay until the rain gets here. So this pass should be quicker than yesterday. I'll say that. Let's see what happens. Quite sure what that was all about, but maybe it was turning the traction control on or something, so I just yanked it off. There we go.
mile an hour at the 8 mile mark. You were 165 at the 8 yesterday. Goes a 149.
Not sure what that's about. It was on a rip.
something funky.
Well, if this stuff was easy, everybody would do it. Not sure what happened. They said it went 117 to 60 foot, but then was off 10 miles an hour at the 8th mile. Maybe it tripped the boost safety? I don't know. Shoot. That should have been like, it should have been fast. 117 to 60 foot. Dang it. Well, we'll see what happened. Look in the data and then see if we can fix it. Well, we're getting really good at telling you guys what not to do with your race cars. So, transmission fluid is very important.
Really important.
We've been so focused on the engine all week, we didn't check transmission fluid. So, in the result of that, which might be a little hard to see or understand in the data, this was our transmission pressure that last pass. Came all the way down to 46 PSI, and it should have been up closer to 150. This number is from the last time we were here. And yeah. Hopefully it didn't hurt things too bad. Oops, I don't want to do that. But yeah. 741. Basically what I did as soon as we shifted second, it slipped second, then immediately shifted third. So maybe we didn't hurt second too bad. But we're gonna put some fluid in it. Probably leave that same tune up in it and try it again. 117, 60 foot. Golly, that would have been exciting. Maybe another pass for another day. Let's see what we get. All right, well, let's try another one. We will see if the transmission holds up. All right, well, here goes something.
Shutdowns are crazy. On that note,
We just won overall fastest car on the entire property at Midwest Drag Week. 100% secured it with that pass.
Well, that might just wrap us up for the week. Transmission may be a little wounded, but I guess we'll see you in this next data log. All right, well,
706.
woo!
Hey, we just won Midwest Drag.
We did.
Not just our class, but fastest car in the event, period.
Heck, yes.
Yeah, brother.
That's freaking awesome.
Hey,
so
and it still runs.
that's the best part.
That's the best part.
Cool.
That's the part we take for granted, but God,
Yeah.
that's huge, man.
Steve Morris, big thumbs up. Like, she was putting in work.
But it worked. I would say let's send it, but she's got Rocky Mountain Race Week in a couple days.
Yeah.
That's 4 miles, more tracks, brutality in the mountains. It's got a big week ahead of it. So.
Yep. Pretty good day. A little bit of whoopsie on that first pass, but at least we recovered from that. It's another 7.0. That's a pretty good average for the week.
Pretty awesome.
Pretty good average.
200 mile an hour average.
Woo! Any event you can drive the car into the trailer afterwards is
Yes!
a good event.
Oh, heck yeah, dude. And we got a trophy.
Woo! Gonna have some fun getting out of there though, aren't you?
It's not too bad. About my first rodeo.
Cool.
Freaking hell yes. Kevin.
Yeah!
Ah,
Good week.
what a great feeling.
Yeah, in the box. Strap this puppy down.
Yep.
And then I'm bombing back to Florida. Actually gonna stop at Mike Finnegan's house on the way home. So there's gonna be some videos with that. But stay tuned for the award ceremony. All right, well, it's about time to start the award ceremony. Check out all them cool trophies. Midwest Drags. I think they said the trophies are sponsored by Molly on the hat right there, maybe. Yeah, there we go. We are almost done with this. Get us some awards and get on the road. It's a good thing they moved up the racing because we're getting rained on. Not hard, but we're getting rained on.
Limited. So from Bradenton, Florida, it's going to be Garrett Mitchell and Kevin Smith, Cleetus McFarland. Here we go, folks. And who wins? 736 average, brand combination.
Passing mullet.
Yep. Well,
On it.
I mean, I can.
Hey man, how about it, guys? Thanks for coming.
Well, we heard some rumors
Thanks for
going
coming.
around. Everyone's thinking Kevin and I just a couple of idiots with a car. I'm here to confirm that rumor. We're a couple of idiots with a car.
Hey, thanks, man.
Thank you.
We need you over here to the side.
All right, well,
Thank you, Rick, for helping the track out.
that
today.
wrap us up for this video. We got a trophy.
All right,
I like
all
it.
the drivers, co-pilots to the front.
And ready to go another 1,500.
they do.
Ready to
Yes,
go
sir.
at 1,500 right now.
I know, it's got it.
Yeah. All right, well, that's gonna wrap us up for this episode. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.